I'm so scared. I'm scared, man. I got this for my birthday. Thanks, Mom. I'm not sure what this locked thing is. I should probably read the directions, but it changes directions, so you don't have to worry about twisting and turning. Wrong way, world. Okay, cool. I have a lot of hair, so I would like to try to put a little bit more in. Oh my. So I have to be patient. Very travel friendly. What it's not gonna do is cut time. If you have a lot of hair, you just have a lot of hair, and God bless. Okay. I want to try this out when my hair is in its natural phase. That's gonna be interesting, but it'll be fun.